This George Foreman precision grill offers an easier cooking alternative for a wide variety of meat and more. With the integrated precision probe, you can measure interior temperature of your food, ensuring that you can cook meat to your preference and monitor your cooking accurately. The fast steak function does everything at the simple touch of a button. Whether you prefer rare, medium or well done, the easy cooking lets you relax and wait for the signal that your steak is ready. The Sear function delivers the optimal burst of intense heat for 90 seconds before dropping back to the standard temperature, so you can utilise the extra heat when you need it. A deep pan function offers more versatility when cooking with this precision grill from George Foreman.